Hi everyone, since this is our first video on the channel together, let's start with the number one car of Ross Chastain from Trackhouse Racing. And let's do two cars. They're very similar. It's the 2023 Globaltranz car and the 2023 Worldwide Express Chevy Camaro. To reduce some confusion, both Worldwide Express and Globaltranz merged under one company in 2021. They are now under the group of Worldwide Express Group. But back to the diecasts. Both of these diecasts are made by Lionel Racing. Now, from a distance, they look pretty similar, but there is a pretty significant difference. One has a metal chassis and the other has a plastic chassis. You can tell the difference from the box. The writing is right there. Let's open up the Worldwide Express car. I like to use these little prongs. You slide it all the way through. You can feel it when it gets through. And then simply open it. It causes no damage to the box that way. All too often I see people use their fingers and they end up damaging the cardboard box. I just don't like that. I just want the box to be pristine and protect the car inside. So now let's check out the details. We got a nice big WWEX Racing on the hood. The decals all seem to be in the right spot, as they should. The front windshield might have an issue here. The Chevy symbol is not colored. It's white instead of the usual kind of goldish tan brown. As we move to the side here, we see a lot of fine details in terms of text and chevrons. Ross Chastain's name is above the door frame there. You can see the watermelon logo, the nice little details and sponsors on the B-pillar. Moving to the rear, oh dang, I see an instant issue. The rear window doesn't have the black frame decals as it should. For reference, here's what the other car should. Can you see that? Right here. See the black frame there? It doesn't have it on this one. Why? That's not right. Dang it. But otherwise, the car looks pretty good. Not sure why they didn't do the windshield Chevy logo on the front. It's not colored, and the rear window decal, that's not right. Quality control, right? Quality control. But overall, it's a really nice car. Well modeled, well detailed. And it is also done from Lionel's quality EL mold, which can be determined by the writing on the underside. Lionel uses different molds. I'll explain that in a different video. Now let's check out the other car. It is a slightly different blue, and where the Worldwide Express car had black font, this one just stands out more because it has white font. The hood looks real nice and colorful, but even more so here on the side. Nice shades and variations of blue on the chevron arrows. The white font really stands out well. In fact, all the secondary sponsors on the side just stand out way more with this scheme because of the white lettering. Otherwise, it has all the same sponsors on the side. Good news, the rear windshield has the proper black decaling on it. That's a positive. Now let's compare them side by side. Here's a good example. You can see the plastic chassis and the metal chassis. Both cars are made on Lionel's EL mold. There's a slight variation in the blue, but honestly, these both look really good. I cannot complain. They look real good together. Overall, I think both of these cars are lookers, especially when they were on the racetrack. So it's neat that you can have them in diecast form, 1/64th, and just put them wherever you want. That's pretty cool. Both of these particular cars were picked up from Circle B Diecast. In the future, I will go in depth of where you can find these cars. Overall, I think that is the complete conclusion of this review of both of these cars. I think they overall turned out really well. Unfortunately, the one Worldwide Express car here didn't have proper decaling. Something just wasn't right. Quality control issue. I doubt that was intentional because that doesn't make sense. Otherwise, these cars turned out great, and if you like them, I think you should pick them up. Also, let me know if you have a preference. Do you like the Globaltranz one or the Worldwide Express car? Love to see it in the comments. Thanks for watching episode 1. I'll see you in the next one.